Now, coming on to the question, what is a Power BI? So Power BI is basically used to find insights within an organization's data. So inside the organization data, wherein your organization data comes in, wherein you have a Power BI service, wherein there's a Power BI service and all of them, which helps you for the dashboards, with the reports. You have mobile app, you have visualization gateway. So for all those insights, wherein you can visualize them in a form of a graph, different graphs altogether. Maybe it can be a bar chart, a stack bar chart, line in a bar chart, anything of that sort, with all the filters applied to all the data sources, whatever sources you want to apply for the data sources, you want to connect with the data sources. Everything comes in so handy in that you can easily connect, you can disparate the data sources, you can transform, clean the data into a data model, basically. And then you can create charts or graphs to provide a visuals of the data set. So in that form, Microsoft Power BI is basically where you find insights within an organization data, where it helps you to connect or disparate data sets, transform or clean the data into a data model. You can create charts or graphs to provide the visuals of the data. So in each and every term, it's a dashboard, it's an interaction site, it's a power useful insight services and everything of that sort that comes into picture. Now, what are the key benefits of Power BI that we all know and that we need to understand, that why we are using it? Every time whenever we are going to use a tool or any technology, anything of that sort, we should always remember why we are basically using that. What are the key benefits of using any of the Power BI sources or any of the tool? Not in terms of Power BI, but whenever we talk about any tool, in fact, we should know what are the key benefits. Why are we using it? So the first benefit is that it is used for data analysis. You put in a data, you grab a data, you put in a data, you analyze that data in a form of a report view. You can see that, okay, this is my data. If I want to change anything in the data, I can do that. It helps you with the interactive reporting sites. So if you are not looking forward for any visuals or anything, you can simply have some reportings only, just the data visual presentation. That's it you can do. So that's an interactive reporting. Then you can create the data visualization. So you can create charts out of it. If you want to create any visualizations out of it, whatever type of visualization you look for creating, you can create that. Then it's a user-friendly mobility. It's a very user-friendly platform. You can have like a user-friendly software wherein you can easily have like very user-friendly in the sense you have mobile applications. So people who are actually like don't have the system in front of them, or maybe they are not having downloaded on their system and they want to view the reports and do some tweaks and turns on that report side, then they can easily have the user-friendly mobility option there and they can have that done. Then you have a financial overview. Financial overview in the sense is that it's free of cost. There's no licensing required for it. There's no cost to it. So you can simply download it free of cost and you can easily use it. So that's the key benefits of Power BI, why we actually use Power BI, what are the trends of using the Power BI, and why we are fetching more interactions on the Power BI. Why should we utilize that tool and not? Okay.